Little storyteller.
Barnaby the gardener loved his roses. He watered them every morning and hummed happy tunes while he gently snipped off any brown leaves. Barnaby thought his roses were ordinary. Nothing special, he'd often say to the fluffy white bunny nibbling clover nearby. One sunny day, a poster appeared on the big oak tree at the edge of Barnaby's garden. It showed a bright red ribbon and had big, friendly letters that spelled out "Flower Fair." The fluffy bunny hopped closer to read the little words. "Bring your prettiest flowers," it squeaked, its nose twitching. The next morning, the fluffy bunny nudged Barnaby's boot with its soft nose. It pointed with its tiny paw towards Barnaby's most beautiful rose, a deep pink one with velvety petals. Barnaby chuckled. "Oh, this old thing? It's just a rose." But the bunny looked so hopeful, with its big round eyes, that Barnaby gently picked the rose and took it to the fair. At the fair there were many colorful flowers, sunny yellow sunflowers, bright bluebells, and delicate white daisies. Barnaby placed his pink rose on a table with all the other roses. He still thought his was just ordinary. He wandered off to watch the children playing ring toss. Suddenly he heard a cheerful voice call his name. "Barnaby, Barnaby." It was Mrs. Higgins, the flower fair judge. Holding his pink rose, on the table beside her, was a shiny blue ribbon that read "First Prize." Barnaby's eyes went wide. His nothing special rose had won. The fluffy bunny hopped over, its nose wiggling excitedly. Barnaby smiled, feeling a warmth spread through him. He realized that even though he thought his rose was simple, all the love and care he gave it made it truly special. He learned that day that hard work and kindness, even in small things like tending a rose, can lead to wonderful surprises.
Please subscribe. Thank you.